roofing company that sued more than 250 of its own customers faces a civil lawsuit from the Florida Attorney General's office, and now there is a new hurdle. The AG has asked a Citrus County judge to step in and halt ongoing court cases that consumers are fighting against Florida roof specialists. 8 on Your Side consumer investigator Shannon Bankin joins us now to explain all of this.
Jen, Josh, consumers were thrilled when the AG announced this lawsuit in September, but they still face their own lawsuits that could lead to foreclosure. Now, this action, if approved by the judge, could bring them relief, at least temporarily. Dawn Donley is one of many homeowners who called me for help, saying Florida roof specialists assured them they would only have to pay their deductible for a new roof. In Dawn's case, the salesman wrote it on her contract.
It seemed too good to be true. I consider myself a smart person. Had family look at it and they're like, well, it says if all you have to pay is $2,500, that's in the contract. They have to go by that. I did not think $17,000 bill was coming.
The Florida Attorney General's office sued Jacksonville-based Florida roof specialists in September and its president, Jeremy S. Rogero, alleging a scheme that violates Florida's Deceptive and Unfair Trade Practices Act. The lawsuit follows an investigation into more than 130 complaints and calls the roofers' liens frivolous and baseless and seeks to throw them out of court and deem the contracts they are based on unenforceable. Consumer attorney David Murray, who is not associated with this case, says the lawsuits could be a big win for homeowners.
What the lawsuit's seeking to do, if you read the wherefore clauses, they're seeking to shut down a bad business that's preying upon consumers in the state of Florida.
But as the lawsuit is making its way slowly through the court system, homeowners who could lose their houses to foreclosure to FRS have had to make tough choices. Some have settled cases. Others are still waiting in fear. Now the AG has filed a motion for temporary injunction that could help these homeowners. The order seeks to dissolve all existing foreclosure lawsuits, terminate liens, and stop the filing of new construction liens. The AG also added another company name to the lawsuit, Menorcan Construction Group. The two companies shared the same license number. Meanwhile, the defense has filed a motion to have the case dropped or to move the case from Citrus County to Duval County because that's where the company is headquartered.
I have so many questions, but what happens if your case is in limbo? Where does that leave you?
And so many people have been in limbo since the day that this was filed. Some homeowners tell me that they have settled because they've been afraid. Others say that they're still fighting their court cases, and now they're hoping that this AG motion will be heard soon and their case could possibly be one of those that's dropped. But attorneys tell me that if you do have pending cases, make sure that you are responding to the court in a timely manner. You could do this by hiring an attorney to represent you, or you could respond to the court yourself. Just don't ignore it.
It's so tricky, though, because you don't want to throw good money after the situation if there may be some resolution. So stay on this. All right. Thank you, Shannon.